You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
That you have internal threats where you work, and there are also external challenges you face as you go out in the field. It's very unfortunate, yet you are a very strong pillar as far as governance of this country is concerned, as far as the livelihoods of our people are concerned, as far as justice issues are concerned, issues of equity, issues of sustainable development, and these are very well enshrined in the Sustainable Development Goals. My name is Peter Chibuka. I'm a climatic activist, and I happen to be from the academia. I know environment from the scientific point of view, from the development point of view, and I'm working now on a project. I'm glad your president, Comrade Rukundo, we've been interacting closely. I've taken the lead, self-imposed, not chosen by one, but if you choose me, I would like to advance this cause.
Dear pressmen and women, this day has come at a perfect time when the media, mainland international scene, is washed by daily updates about unwavering, catastrophic incidents being instigated by climate change. We've had examples in Kenya and Tanzania. Floods and landslides have claimed close to 400 lives and displaced over 200,000 people, on top of destroying key infrastructures worth USD billions.
Tanyigirizibwa ate omuntu yali eyagalidde ku mulimu gwakola kye bayita blue economy, okola omulimu n'ogweyagaliramu kubanga ofuna ky'oteekeddwa okufuna. Omuvubi avuba naye bw'aba avuba kasente akafuna, naye ate agwenyumiririzeemu awa gavumenti omusolo naye ng'afunamu kyalina okufuna nga tabbibwa. So ffe nga babaka ba parliament naddala abali ku ludda olw'opposition, bye bimu ku bintu bye tugezaako okukola minimum wage n'okufuba okulaba nti ssemateeka wa Uganda ateekebwa mu nkola nga tewali muntu ali waggulu wa ssemateeka. Tulina obubondo wano mu Uganda nga bo tebwagala kumanya mateeka.